What's going on, guys? It's your boy Dom coming back to you from All About Passive Income. And you know what time it is. You know we bringing you another passive income platform. You know what the saying is. We in the kitchen and we back at it again. So you already know what time it is. So let me go ahead and hit that disclaimer for you real quick and let you know that I'm not your financial advisor, nor will I tell you how to spend your money or what to put your money in. I'm just showing you what I'm doing and what I'm putting my funds in to multiply my Bitcoin. That's what I'm doing, and that's what I'm showing for you guys today. Everybody knows everything in crypto is risky, doesn't matter. Hype platforms, nothing lasts forever. We all understand that. So if you don't have the means to take those type of risks, then don't jump into anything that I do, because I get into a lot of crazy stuff. I jump into stuff that people just stay away from. But at the same time, you know you win some, you lose some. So I'm just gonna put that out there for you. But let's dive right on in. But you know what? Hold on. Before I do that, I gotta hit it. I have to. If you have not subscribed to this channel, definitely subscribe. Smash that notification bell. Definitely hit that like button. And then, comment below if you got any questions. And then just follow us through the journey. If this ain't something that you like, then just follow the journey and watch other things that we get into. All right. Now, when I say we as us as a team, as us as a YouTubers, okay, as us as a whole in this crypto space. So don't get the we part all messed up and misunderstood. But today we're gonna talk about Bitsimple. Sorry for dragging that out, but I had to let you guys know this thing right here. It's got some promise. Okay, I just watched the big homie, the big Oracle, do an interview with the actual owner of the site. Have some little bit of transparency, things like that. If you want to go check that video out, I'll definitely leave that video in the link in the description below to give you that opportunity to go out there and go check that video out, because yeah, he answered all the tough questions and went in. Of course, the community wanted to know about certain things, and they covered everything that I wanted to know about the platform. So that's why I went on and took the step and jumped in this thing. All right. Now, here's the plans and here's how the thing works or whatnot. All right. So they have these, they have about 5 plans here. So the first plan, you can start with a minimum of $10. That's going to run for 15 days. That's going to pay out 0.42%. They have the hourly for 14 days. Is going to pay out 0.52%. The minimum is 50. They have the 0.63 hourly for 13 days. The minimum is $100. And then, of course, you got your the biggest package you can get into. You have the 1% hourly for 10 days. Okay. So just think about this. If you were deciding or, wanting to get in this platform, I get it. I understand everybody's, finances are different and, whatever, because people have big, you know, tolerance for risk. Some people don't, have very small tolerance for risk. Okay. But, um, what I did, so I'm not going to tell you what you need to do, but what I did, I came in down here at the 1%. I came at the 1% hourly for 10 days, guys. So that's 24% in one day. So you're getting paid out hourly. So what does that do for me? Okay. That makes me a little bit more comfortable. Is this risky? Yes, it's very risky. All of these platforms are risky. Okay. But at getting 1% per day, well, 1% every hour for 24 hours, that's 24% per day. So what does that tell me? That tells me that I'll be able to recoup all of my initial that I put into the platform in 4 days. And then I have 6 days to have pure profit. And if I want, I can drop back my initial right back in there and build that number up even, bigger, and get a bigger ROI on a daily basis if I decide to do that. Or I can get whole get hold, take it out, and then just come back with the same amount. Come back with another 260, 270 or whatever, and then just keep growing that way, and then just pull out every 4 days or whatever, pull out 250. However you want to do it. Okay, you can do it whatever strategy or whatever, however you want to do it, whatever makes sense to you, and you can grab it as quick as possible. Because, like I said, you know what these platforms are about. We all know, especially if you deal in anything with crypto. Okay, so let me show you, let me show you the proof, because I'm not really worried about referral money, because that's what a lot of those referral whores are for. They look for, nothing but referral. Don't put their own money in the platforms. As you see, my active deposit is ready to go. I'm ready. I'm ready to go. And as you see, I've already withdrawn $255.33. So what does that tell you? I've already made my initial bet, except for what, a couple dollars? I'm not doing no faking, no funking. This is what we do. We handle our business, and you know how we get down out here. All right, you know how we get down out here in the crypto space. All right, guys. So if this is something that you want to look at, the link gonna be in the description below the video, of course. But you want to jump in? Hey, grab that link right there. Use this link right here and get on in that thing, and go ahead and start multiplying your cryptocurrency, so you can start, accumulating, turning those small stacks into big stacks, so we can sit back and we can grab those bags. That's what we call them. We grab them bags, baby. Grab the bags. But that's all I got for you today. So Bitsimple, baby. It's in here. We ready to rock and roll. Let's go on and ride this thing until the damn wheels fall off. You know how it is. But that's all I got for you today. It's your boy Dom, coming back to you from All About Passive Income. And I'll check you guys out in the next video.